Once, humans ruled the skies. Every takeoff, every landing, every decision made by a pilot's hands. But now, the age of AI aviation has arrived. A revolution is unfolding, one where artificial intelligence doesn't just assist pilots, it replaces them. Meet the new generation of AI-powered aircraft, smart planes that think, decide, and fly on their own. Companies like X-Wing, Reliable Robotics, and Airbus are already testing fully autonomous jets, capable of takeoff, navigation, and landing without a single human on board. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. Traditional pilots rely on human judgment and decades of training, but AI aircraft rely on data, sensors, and real-time algorithms that analyze wind patterns, engine performance, and even potential hazards before they happen. AI doesn't get tired, it doesn't panic. It learns, predicts, and executes with mathematical precision. The latest autonomous cargo aircraft can already cover over 1,500 miles on a single mission, navigating storm systems, avoiding other aircraft, and communicating directly with control towers. These systems are powered by machine learning, computer vision, and satellite-based AI communication that allows planes to talk to each other mid-air. Imagine boarding a flight with no pilots up front. Just a voice of an AI co-pilot saying,
"Welcome aboard. Destination locked. Estimated arrival in 5 hours and 37 minutes.
This is the near future, where aircraft manage fuel, altitude, and turbulence all autonomously. According to test data, AI-controlled systems respond to flight anomalies 6 times faster than human pilots. They maintain fuel efficiency with up to 20% savings and eliminate human error, which causes nearly 80% of air accidents today. Safety, consistency, and precision. These are AI's strongest wings. Still, this revolution isn't about removing humans, it's about evolving aviation. For now, AI will dominate cargo flights, regional air taxis, and unmanned aerial deliveries, while commercial airlines adopt hybrid control systems, one pilot plus one AI co-pilot. But make no mistake, full automation is coming. By 2035, pilotless aircraft could become mainstream. Faster, safer, and smarter than ever before. AI is not just flying planes, it's redefining what it means to trust the sky. The future of flight is no longer controlled by hands, it's guided by intelligence. Welcome to the dawn of the AI skies. Welcome to the future of aviation.